Hello everyone. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step demo of how to go live on YouTube using Zoom. To start with, we first have to enable the setting of going live on Zoom, for which we have to go to account management, click on account settings, and then you have to scroll down all the way to the option which says go live. You have to click on this option, allow live stream meetings. When you click on, it will give you all the option where you want to make it live, so select all of them. Then we have to schedule a meeting. We'll click on the option schedule a new meeting. For the demo purpose, I'll just put the title demo. I'll take the timing for right now. We'll take the options of host video and panelist video. Save. And then we will start this meeting. It will ask for the audio option, and we can take join with computer audio. Just switching off my webcam, but you guys have to keep your webcam on. So in the dashboard, you have to click on more, click on live on YouTube. It will take you to Google console. There you have to select the account. I am having multiple account, but you might be having a single account of your YouTube channel. You have to select the account of your YouTube channel. It will ask for certain permissions. It's not asking me right now because I have already enabled them, but it will ask you for certain permissions. You have to click allow. You have to select the option go live. And we are live on YouTube now. So what we will be needing from your end once you are live on YouTube, you have to click on share, click on embed, and you have to share this iframe with us, and we will be putting it on SIH website to show the live closing and opening ceremony of your nodal center. Thank you.